Question is, which is called the city of Golden Temple? Answer is Amritsar. Question is, which is the largest delta? Answer is Sundarbans, Bengal. Question is, which is the largest river in the world? Answer is River Nile. Question is, which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer is Australia. Question is, which is the highest plateau? Answer is Pamir, Tibet. Question is, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Answer is Mount Everest in Nepal. Question is, which is the largest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Question is, which is called the Queen of Arabian Sea? Answer is Cochin. Question is, which is called God's own country? Answer is Kerala. Question is, which is called Land of Midnight Sun? Answer is Norway. Question is, which is called the sugar bowl of the world? Answer is Cuba. Question is, which is the largest continent in the world? Answer is Asia. Question is, which is called rooftop of the world? Answer is Bolivia. Question is, which is the largest park in the world? Answer is the Wood Buffalo National Park in Alberta, Canada. Question is, which country has the largest parliament in the world? Answer is China. Question is, which is the largest zoo in the world? Answer is Kruger National Park, South Africa. Question is, which is the biggest flower in the world? Answer is Rafflesia. Question is, which is the largest bird in the world? Answer is ostrich.